In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Slack, a convenient integration that can help streamline your scheduling and communication efforts immensely. If you use both Google Calendar and Slack, integrating them can boost your productivity and ensure that you're always on top of your schedule and team events. So let's dive right in and explore the simple process of syncing these two powerful tools. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. This is crucial because we'll be adding the Google Calendar app directly into Slack. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for integrating external applications into Slack. Upon clicking, you'll notice a button that says Add Apps. You'll want to click on this to access Slack's app directory. Now in the search bar of the app directory, type in Google Calendar. This search should quickly bring up the app you're looking to integrate. When you see Google Calendar pop up, click Add. Doing so will prompt a new window to appear. This new page is where you'll officially start the integration process, so click on Add to Slack. Next, you'll need to grant Google Calendar the necessary permissions to access Slack. You'll see an Allow button. Click this to provide the necessary access rights. It's worth mentioning that Slack requires certain permissions to integrate smoothly with your Google Calendar, and by clicking Allow, you're ensuring the app has the authorization it needs. After granting permissions, you will be prompted to choose which Google account you want to sync. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one that holds your primary calendar. The next step is straightforward, simply click on Continue. Now you're required to select what specific features Slack can access from your Google Calendar. It's usually a good idea to allow Slack to access your basic calendar information so that it can sync events and reminders effectively. After making your selections, hit Continue once more, and just like that, your Google Calendar is now successfully integrated with your Slack workspace. This integration means you'll automatically receive notifications for upcoming events, can easily join video calls scheduled via Google Calendar, and keep your team informed effortlessly through Slack. It's a small step that can make a big impact on your team's workflow, so enjoy your newly synced setup.